Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing okay today. It is St. Patrick's Day. I know I did a little blue on my eyes today. That was using the new palette that I just received. I did put the green in my hair, green on my shirt, and what's left of the green on my nails. So don't be checking out my nails. I will be doing them as soon as we get done with these last two videos. But today I'm going to be bringing y'all the Boxycharm Premium for March 2020. Now, this is a Boxycharm slash Fenty beauty box takeover. Basically, everybody got the same thing minus the matchstick and the lipstick. Those are the only two variations that you can get in this box. Now, Boxycharm Premium is the second tier of Boxycharm. This is a $35 box where you receive 6 to 7 products, and it's supposed to retail for $175. I can tell you that this month, this box does not retail for $175. Does that bother me? No. For the simple fact that they put Fenty Beauty in the box. That is the only reason that the lesser value does not bother me this month. So I will let you know that everything on my face is from this box, minus, you know, my foundation and bronzer, and I will show you exactly what's on coming from this box. So when you open the box, even the box is cool this month. Boxycharm X Fenty Beauty Premium Box. We do have a card in our box, which is great. I love that feature. Emailing us cards is more than I can take. I don't think it's a great idea. Most people do not have internet access, and Boxycharm doesn't give us our emails anyway. So the first thing I'm going to pull out of here is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter, and this is in Trophy Wife. Girls, I will let you know that my dogs are in here. Miss Belle is in heat. My Chloe bug, when I rescued her at 4 months old. They had already fixed her, so Miss Chloe does not know what to do when Miss Belle goes into heat. Hopefully we can get that fixed this year, and then we don't have to worry about it. Either way, they're in here. Bella's bugging Chloe. I hope they behave. But let's go ahead and check out this highlighter. So it says light up where you want, when you want, with this weightless long wear cream powder hybrid highlighter in the iconic shade Trophy Wife, and this retails for $36. Now I can tell you when I opened mine, here is the component. It is a very shiny holographic. It's a very sleek plastic component. When you do open it, it does have this little sleeve in here. I suggest taking this out. When I opened mine, I opened it, and of course my thumb pushed in there, and I now have a big divot in my highlighter, as you can see, but that is what it looks like. So it's a very cute highlighter. It does say Fenty Beauty. The mirror in it is very good. I just would not keep this in there. My own personal opinion, I won't be keeping mine in there. I do have this on as a highlight today, and I like it. I did put my highlighter on with a sponge. I found that was the best way for me to use it at this time of the year, since I am not tan yet. The next thing we have is the matchstick. This is the Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick. I got mine in the color Rum. It says a magnetized makeup stick in a long wear, light as air, shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance this long wear cream to powder highlighter stick is weightless, blendable, and lives to be layered. Included shade may vary. This retails for $25. This is the shade that I received. This will look amazing in the summertime when I do have a tan. There it is on my skin right now. This is the Rum Matchstick color, and it does sheer out. It is a very pretty highlighter. I wanted the confetti colored highlighter, which was the purple one. My mother was lucky enough to go ahead and get off of the premium wait list this month. So she did receive her premium. And in there, she did get the color Confetti, which I also used today. This is just a beautiful, beautiful purple highlight. It will go very well with my Bloodlust palette and all of that. So, Mom, I really do appreciate you giving me this. And just like it says, they are magnetized. If you have more than one, you can stick them together. So I thought that was pretty neat. And that retailed for $25. The next thing we have in here is the Glass Balm Universal Lip Illuminizer. The ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with explosive shine that feels as good as it looks in shade Diamond Milk, a dewy highlight. For your lips, Fenty Beauty Glass Balm is an essential finishing touch to your Fenty face. This retails for $19. I also used it today. That's what I'm going to talk to y'all about. It makes your lipstick bleed. Sorry guys. I even did the lick my finger, or the inside your mouth and pull your lipstick off. I even tried that. It makes your lipstick run. It's going to get on your teeth unless you wear it by itself. And it is pretty enough to wear by itself. It is a iridescent colored lip gloss. Very creamy. It does not stick together. It's very comfortable to wear. There it is on my hand. And it has an amazing smell. Smells like Fruity Pebbles to me. I know a lot of makeup smells that way when they have whatever fragrance is in there that they use. Anyway, I do like the lip gloss. The lip gloss is comfortable. It's nice. It's easy to wear. But it does make your lipstick bleed, and it will get on your teeth, which isn't attractive on anybody. The next thing I got was the Matte Merzel Plush Matte Lipstick. All moods, all skin tones, all day. A pocket perfect lipstick with a long wearing petal soft matte finish, available in a rainbow of weightless color intense shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. Included shade may vary. These retail for $18. I got mine in the color Shorty. Not really sure. It is this brown burnt orange. This color. This is what it is. The packaging is beautiful. It does hold fingerprints. It is very small and sleek. It did have the FB on top of it before I used it. But there is the color of it. And it's not a color that I normally gravitate to, but it's not horrible either. So I was alright with it. I wanted the color I'm Single is what it was called, I believe. Or maybe that was the NARS lipstick. Don't listen to me. It's not the color that I would have chose for myself, but it's not a horrible color either. The next thing in here was the Invisimatte blotting papers. Ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up in stealth mode with a super chic, refillable, mirrored compact that looks like a lipstick case. Lift away shine while leaving makeup perfectly untouched. This retails for $16, and this is something that I won't use. I might use it in the summertime, but until then, it's going to stay in this box because I really have no use for it other than using them for rolling papers. So I know that that is something that has went around. I don't know how true it is, but there you go. I will let you in on what I've been told so that you know. I still feel like I have a cast of lipstick on my teeth. It's Probably because I do. I don't know about that. Alright, and then the last thing in this box was the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. Has 16 richly pigmented shades, serving up a dash of matte, satin, pearl, metallic, and shimmer finishes. And this retails for $29. Now this palette retailed for a whole lot more than that when it first came out. This was her first palette, and as much and as excited I was to get it, I don't really know about this palette. I don't feel like it comes off the way that it should. Yes, it made a pretty eye look. I don't know, maybe it's just the formulas that I'm not used to playing with. But that is what that palette looks like. As you can tell, I have been playing in it. I will let you know, I've never seen an eyeshadow palette do this. But when you go into, I'm going to show y'all really up close. When you go into dig in a color, can you watch it separate and get on the blue part? It just like catches. Do you see what I'm talking about? It just like catches in there, and then it goes into different colors. That is not something that I like. I think that they put the colors too close together if it's going to just attract to the component. But there are some pretty colors in here. I'm wearing these two right here, this on the outer corner, and then I thought that this was a green. It's a blue green, and then I put this little icy white on top of my blue. Yes, it made a pretty look. Did it take more effort than I wanted to? Absolutely. We will be going over this again. Let me know if y'all like the unboxing with me trying the products out so that you can see them, or if you would rather me do a back to can we make a look with my boxes. Getting the Boxy Luxe, the Premium, and the Base Box this month, there are a lot of items and products that I'm going to go over. That's why I decided to go ahead and do a wear on unboxing. But that was our box, and let's see. I think it's $143 is what the boxes retail for this month. But I will go in and let you know. So the highlighter is $36. The matchstick was $25. The eyeshadow palette was $29. The glass balm was $19. The lipstick was $18. And then the blotting papers are $16. So yes, it retails for $143 this month. Like I said, I am not upset about that. No, it's not the $175 that they promise. But they've never done a whole box takeover from any brand. So I had never owned anything Fenty Beauty until I received this box. And as a makeup lover, I am very excited to get to try some of these products that I don't have. I don't possess them. Yes, I've heard of Fenty Beauty, and I know that she makes amazing products. And now I finally have the chance to put that to the test and see if it actually works on me. So thank you again for taking the time to click on this video. I know that most of these boxes are the same this month, minus a couple of items. So thanks for checking out what I got. Please do leave down and let me know what matchstick and lipstick you got. Let me know if you are a fan of the Fenty Beauty box. And let me know how the eyeshadow palette worked for you. I will be playing with it more. But like I said, it did make a beautiful look. It just wasn't one of my favorite palettes to play with. So, that's it, guys. That is my video. Thank you for taking the time to come by. Thanks for hanging out with me. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope everybody is staying safe. Drink lots of green beer and have a heck of a time. So, bye, guys.